Okay, the claw. We're gonna call this one the claw. So remember I put this thing in there for the claw, and I told you that it holds the springs back in here in the bridge, and there are two big screws that go in there like that. Those are my two big screws. So I put the 4 holes in there instead of 2, if you remember correctly, and my reasoning was I wasn't quite sure which spot I was gonna want this in, because yeah, this higher up might just be better. So I made 4 holes in this, lower and higher. And now, once again, I'm going to beeswax the claw. Anybody guess what the password's gonna be today? It's definitely gonna be claw. Claw. Yeah, claw is definitely the password. So I screw one side in here. I screw my other side in there. And these are meant to actually be tensioners. So, let's make sure it's flat. The more tension I want on my bridge, the deeper I screw these in. They're not going to go all the way in. Now, I want to check with the back plate that this doesn't touch. Yeah, it's fine. And then what happens here is these, you can get up to 5 of these, by the way, if you really, really want a tight bridge, which I don't. And then the springs go on like that. One. You can do a middle one. It's funny. This bridge does not even take 5 springs. The standard Stratocaster would have a 5-spring bridge. This is not a standard Stratocaster. It's a kit. But the claw has room for 5. So there we go. Now, if I have my whammy bar, which I do, you guys are probably like, I got this crazy teacher that makes these videos we gotta watch, and he talks to himself, and he's really weird, and his dog sits on the floor and covered in sawdust, and we have a whammy bar. I mean, that's pretty tight. I wouldn't even want it any tighter than that. And those springs move with the whammy bar. And I'm probably gonna go to the bottom hole. All right. That is the claw. Password is claw, or the claw. I'm sure the angle on this is all kind of funky. I'm not exactly a videographer. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. There's a shovel in the background. All right. Take care, guys.